Welcome back to Learn English with Us. Hi, Steve. How are you today?
Hi, Maya. I'm great, thank you. Today's lesson is very special. It's all about you. We'll learn how to talk about yourself in English. Your name, age, where you're from, what you do, and what you like.
That's perfect. It's what I always need when I meet new people.
Exactly. Let's start with the basics. When you meet someone for the first time, you can say, "Hi, my name is Steve." Or simply, "I'm Steve." Now, repeat after me. My name is Maya. I'm Maya. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too.
That's easy and sounds friendly.
Yes. Now let's make a small dialogue.
Hi, my name is Maya. What's your name?
I'm Steve. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Perfect. That's how you start any conversation in English. Now, let's talk about age. You can say, "I'm 20 years old," or just, "I'm 20." Repeat after me. I'm 25 years old. I'm 30. He's 40. She's 18.
Oh, so we don't always need to say years old?
Exactly. It's optional. Both are correct. Let's make a short dialogue.
Steve, how old are you?
I'm 35. And you?
I'm 28.
Nice. Now let's say where you're from. You can say, "I'm from plus country. My nationality is plus nationality." Repeat after me. I'm from France. I'm from Japan. I'm from Brazil. I'm from the United States. I'm from Tanzania. I'm from India.
And how do we say our nationality?
Like this, I'm French. I'm Japanese. I'm Brazilian. I'm American. I'm Tanzanian. I'm Indian.
Oh, that's clear. I'm from France. I'm French.
Exactly. Now let's make a short conversation.
Where are you from, Steve?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from Spain.
Spain. Beautiful country.
Thank you. Canada sounds amazing too.
Yes, but cold. Now let's talk about what you do. We can say, "I'm a student." "I'm a teacher." "I'm an engineer." "I work in IT." "I work at a bank." Repeat after me. I'm a student. I'm a teacher. I'm a doctor. I'm a driver. I work in a hospital. I work in an office.
So I'm a teacher and I work at a school mean almost the same.
Exactly. Now a small dialogue.
Steve, what do you do?
I'm an English teacher. What about you?
I'm a graphic designer.
Nice. Do you like your job?
Yes, I love it.
That's great. Now let's talk about hobbies, what you like to do in your free time. Repeat after me. I like reading. I like cooking. I like traveling. I like playing football. I like listening to music. I like watching movies. I like swimming.
I like dancing. Can I say I love dancing too?
Of course, love is even stronger than like.
So I can say I love cooking or I love music.
Exactly. Let's make a quick conversation.
Steve, what do you like doing in your free time?
I like reading and watching movies. And you?
I love traveling and taking photos.
That's wonderful. Now let's put everything together. I'll say my introduction first, then you'll do yours. Hi, my name is Steve. I'm 35 years old. I'm from Canada. I'm an English teacher. I like reading, traveling, and cooking.
Now, me. Hi, my name is Maya. I'm 28 years old. I'm from Spain. I'm a graphic designer. I love dancing and listening to music.
Perfect. That's a natural self-introduction. Let's review what we learned today. Name. My name is. I'm. Age. I'm 25. Country. I'm from France. Job. I'm a teacher. Slash. I work in IT. Hobbies. I like. I love.
So now I can introduce myself and ask about others.
Exactly. Here's your challenge. Record a short video or audio of yourself saying, Hi, my name is your name. I'm age years old. I'm from country. I'm a job. I like hobby.
That's a great exercise. It helps you speak with confidence.
Absolutely. If you liked this lesson, like, share, and subscribe.
And remember, every word you say brings you closer to fluency.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.